Okay, another video I'm making here. I'm always doing changes to my XPT2 or 4 here. I done a different setup on a blower, set up the way everybody else does it on the blowhole. I got reading some about restrictions on the, everybody worried about restrictions on the putting one in line. So what I come up with this little concept right here, and so far I've used it and it's worked extremely well for me. It's a 270 CFM blower, 4-inch blower, and what I've done is, you can tell here, into my standard outlet, which is directly over the inlet tube going into the CVT case. I done a 90 and sealed it in there and sealed a ring on the inside so it's completely sealed up, and then mounted my blower here, as you can see, to my bar, and put a filter on it. Now, the reason I like this idea here is, whether the fan's on or not, I am not restricting my flow through my frog skins. So if I don't have it on, the CVT is going to pull whatever it had normally on both sides, because I'm not restricting any of that. Plus, now I've also got a little extra. It can pull through the fan if it needs to. As you can tell, like I said, down here, I've done no changes to this. This is all just like it factory is. I have a temperature gauge on it now. I don't have a Razorback. I just got a standard old water temp thing on my exhaust port, so I can kind of watch my temperatures. And by doing this, the problem else I'd seen with mine before I'd done this is that once I get in the mud and this basically gets caked over right here, you got no airflow through it, because this is basically caked over with mud. All you get is that little dab that's in the back, which is maybe that much. If there's that much back there on the back side that you're getting airflow. I've seen my belt temperatures go up normal riding after being in the mud, even for a distance of time, because this is screened over. I'd wash it off and my temperatures go back down. So that's where I come up with this idea right here on the external blower hole. This way, I have seen it when I get out there and my temperatures start rising, I can turn my fan on and it forces air in here, which I know it's blowing some out through here. Everybody's going to gripe about that and say, oh, you're losing pressure because of this. But anyway, this is feeding directly over the inlet going down. So I'm assuming I'm forcing more air. And in real world, I have seen my temperatures drop when I'm just idling around. I've seen them be up. Turn my fan on, and within 2 or 3 minutes, my temperature drops 10 to 15 degrees going into my fan, or my exhaust air coming out of my exhaust port. So I know it's working. And when I've seen these screens get covered up, I've turned my fan on and I've dropped it dramatically, because now I am forcing more air in there for sure. So everybody likes this way, that's cool. If you don't, that's cool. This is my way of doing it, and I just thought I'd pass it along and kind of give my theory, sort of like my other videos on all the other things I've done to my XPT4 here. It's my opinion, so, you know, if you like it, like it. If you don't, that's cool too. Everybody's got their own opinion. Just hope everybody has fun riding.